Succeeding in any crowded market means bringing something unique to the table. So for fitness professionals, there's a lot of people on Instagram, for example, that claim to have the magic formula to give you the body that you want, and to make sure that you have the abs and the muscles and stuff like that. So there's a lot of people kind of selling the same type thing. So you want to build yourself a brand that is unique to you and actually draws people to you so that they can come to you for the services that they need. So this is why fitness professionals really need to have a logo and a visual brand, because that logo is going to serve as a beacon. So people are going to know when they see that, they're going to tie that with the experience of you. And that's going to help differentiate you from all the other fitness professionals that are out there. I mean, if you're doing good work, if you're really impacting people, you want to have something that other people can share with the masses. And that's why you see a lot of fitness programs, a lot of fitness people have their own personal logos for their programs, logos for the companies that they run. They want to have something that's the visual representation of them when they're not in the room, and say, hey, when you see this means quality. When you see this logo, this is really someone or a program or a company that's really going to help you reach your goals. Fitness Blender is a great example of attaching their great work with great consistent visuals and the ending logo tag. With logos, you can have things play at the beginning and end of your videos. You can use that as a watermark for all your photos. You can use that prevalent on your websites and on your social media as your avatar. There are a lot of different things you can do with a logo. So you really want to have a strong one. Two examples of fitness logos that I've done would be the Bratcher Sports and Education logo and the Hegemony Training logo. The Bratcher Sports and Education logo went far beyond just a mere logo. I created a whole visual brand identity, which you could see throughout the messaging through the company. So that includes a vehicle wrap, slides, shirts, letterhead, business cards. Similar for Hegemony Training. You can find more about both of these companies in the websites provided below. A well put together visual brand identity will amplify your message, will amplify your brand, will amplify your personality and the work that you do. The way that you present yourself to potential clients matters. The material that you use to reach out to them, to tell about what you do, tell about your brand story, is very important and should all be cohesive. And it's worth the investment in your brand to make sure that you have a designer that's giving you everything that you need. Master your marketing and firmly and intelligently establish yourself in the world of fitness and health. Specifically with Hegemony, I created a pamphlet that kind of tells about what Hegemony is about, the founder, the kind of things that you can expect from Hegemony Training, as well as clients, a list of clients, so people can understand all the people that they've already worked with, and then some of the goals that you want to have achieved and will achieve through working with Hegemony Training. Listen, you just don't want to get lost in the sauce when it comes to everybody posting about how fit they are, what they can do to solve people's problems. Your brand visually will help people differentiate between you and all the sea of other people. You gotta invest in that.